So this is basic arthroscopic knot tying 101. To do arthroscopic knot tying, you need to be able to do a sliding lockable knot and a static knot. So first we're going to do a sliding lockable knot. We'll do a modified Tennessee slider. So we'll put our knot pusher on the left-handed strand, and we'll put a snap on the end of that strand. We're then going to make the post strand on the left, and we'll shorten that up so the post strand is on the left. So we'll take the two strands between the thumb and the index finger and throw the loop strand over once, the loop strand over twice, and then retrieve the loop strand through the distal interval and tighten down the knot. The loop strand is often also called the wrapping strand. Now to make this a locking knot, we'll add a underhanded throw for a half hitch. Now the left hand strand is still our post strand, so we pull on the post strand and push on the knot pusher at about the same rate until we slide the knot down and secure our tissue. At this point, we're going to reverse the post strand so that the right hand strand is the post strand by tightening the right hand strand and pass pointing with the knot pusher. This locks the knot into place. Since we threw an underhanded half hitch on the first throw, now we're going to throw an overhand half hitch on the second throw. Now to get the knot into the joint, it's much easier to pull a knot in than to push a knot in. So we're still using our right hand strand as the post strand. But now we want to alternate posts. So we want to now make the post the left hand strand. To do that, we tension the left hand strand and we flip the knot. So now the knot has flipped, and now we're going to push the knot down, pull, push, pull, push, pull until we work all the slack out of the system. So now we're going to come back and we're going to change to an underhanded throw. We also want to change our post back to the right hand side. So now we slide the knot in, we pass point, we push, we pass point, we push, we pass point. So that's a completed modified Tennessee slider knot. Now we'll demonstrate a revo knot, which is a static knot. Static knots are required if the limbs of the suture do not slide. To simulate the non-sliding, we will put this clip on our limbs. Again, we'll start with our left-handed limb with the knot pusher and the snap on that side. We're now going to throw an underhanded throw, and we're going to tension the right-handed suture and pull the knot into place. We're then going to repeat that a second time. An underhanded throw, tension the right-handed loop, the right-handed limb, pull that knot into place. And then we're going to throw an overhanded throw, continue using the right-handed limb as our post, and pull that into place. Now it's important to make sure we get our loop security by taking all the slack out of the system. Now we want to reverse the half hitch and alternate the post. So now we're going to do an underhanded throw. but to transport that throw into the joint, we're going to keep the right-handed limb as our post until we get the knot in where we want it. And now we're going to reverse the post by tensioning the new post strand and pushing. And now we're going to push and pull, push and pull, push and pull, and get that knot into place. We're now going to come back and we're going to reverse the post again. We'll do an overhand throw, reverse the post, and pull the knot into place. That's our finished Revo knot.